Yes, Goldie.
Wait, you didn't start recording yet?
I've been recording. Got him.
Please hang up and try again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natasha coming back with yet another video. So I'm so excited for this video today because I did my DIY vanity mirror. It's in the back, but I'll show y'all in just a second, okay? If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're one of my day ones, welcome back. All right, welcome back. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe if you like videos like these. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I don't know why I'm laughing so much, but yeah. In today's video, I am going to be doing my DIY vanity mirror. I previously posted a video of me doing my desk, and I was like, I need a vanity mirror for that. So I was like, why not? Why the heck not? So I did. I went to the thrift store yet again. I'm a thrift queen. The second time I went to the thrift store. I'm a thrift queen, but I don't care. I'm getting good at this. So I went to the thrift store, found this mirror. It was like new. It had a few little bumps and bruises, but you know, nothing a little love cannot fix, or a little spray paint. But yeah, I found this mirror. It was like $4.94, I think. If I'm not correct, I'll put the price here on the screen. But yeah, I think it was like $4.97, and I was like, this is perfect. It is perfecto. I'm like, I was happy because I found a freaking almost new mirror for $4. So I'm like, okay, I can do this. And then I was like, okay, I need to get some bulbs to put on that mirror. So I went on my favorite place, which is Amazon, and I found that they have these little sticky bulbs, and I wanted the really good ones. I went on Amazon and I saw those. They had pretty pricey ones, but I wanted to find something that could fit in my budget, which I did. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Yeah, I found bulbs, the little sticky bulbs. You'll see in the, you know, the little DIY process, but I'm just, you know, letting you guys know first. So yeah, I found the bulbs. They cost, I think, $22. Yeah, $22. With shipping, it was like maybe $28 because I had to pay shipping. It wasn't free shipping, which sucks. Sometimes I don't buy things unless I'm getting free shipping. Fun fact, which is true. Yeah, I am going to show you guys that in the next clip. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I made sure that my mirror is covered, and now I'm going to go in with my Rust-Oleum 2x extra cover spray paint in the satin blossom white color, and I'm just going to, you know, add a generous amount of spray paint because I want to make sure that I get every crevice and corner of this mirror because I want it to look so good. So yeah, this is what I'm doing here. Okay, so after waiting for maybe a few hours for this to completely dry, now I'm removing just the tape and the paper from the mirror just to make sure that, you know, none of the paint got onto the mirror, and luckily none didn't. Yeah, I'm a pro like that. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and then afterwards I'm going to use a rag to like get the excessive dust off because it was really dusty outside when this was drying. So yeah. Okay guys, so here are the bulbs, and this is from Shende. I hope I'm saying this right. Shende LED vanity lighting kit, and this kit came with approximately 10 bulbs, and they're pretty decent sizes. And it came with all the few things. It came with the adapter, and it came with the little switch. It has like a little on and off switch, so you know, turn it on, turn it off. Online it said it was dimmable, but I doubt it is because once I turned it on, it was just on and off, which I'm not complaining about. It works perfectly fine, and it comes with a little sticky adhesive on the back, and they even gave me extra one. So as you can see here, I'm being very careful because it will be a pity if I broke some of these bulbs. So this is what I'm doing here. Okay, so now that I've gotten my layout, I am just starting to put them on the mirror. Well, I'm not putting it directly onto the glass, I'm putting like in the low ends of the mirror. And then another thing that happened was that the little adhesive on the bulbs, they didn't stay that well, so I had to use my little hot glue gun to, you know, get it to stick better. So I just put like a little dot in the center of each of the little adhesive, and then voila, that it was, because one of them had fell off and I was like, that's a no-no, because then my bulbs would break. So I'm like, no. Let there be light. That was a long way, but yeah, you know, I had to test it out first. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to, you know, neaten it up a little bit, but it's good, it works, and it looks perfect. I'm loving it. So yeah, this is my vanity mirror. If you guys love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be a part of my notification squad. And today's notification goes out to Amber. She was the first person to like and comment on my last video. So shout outs to you, Amber, for being a part of the notification squad. Like I promised, you did it. I shout you out. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi. I'm cute. This is literally how it happens. I mean, dead serious, okay?